What's up, my loves, and thank you for coming back for this week video. If you're new to this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today me and my girl Braids will be creating this luscious crochet faux loc hair. I'm Bisola's Beauty and she is
Braids. So today we're gonna use the Glance Braid Bow Loc for the crochet. This is the package. So we're using 1B, and we're also going to use the spring twist hair.
I fluffed it out.
Basically, you know, she's been wanting to do faux loc, but the process of setting down, braiding her hair, then wrapping it around, and besides, she wants it really long.
I like my hair long. Okay.
I wasn't having that. Neither
she didn't have
was
my
she.
time, but we found this technique out, and we're just ready to get into it.
Yeah.
Enjoy the video. So she's gonna be using Shin to slick up my hair while she's braiding it. Step one is we're just gonna do a basic cornrow, single braids cornrow with my natural hair. Nothing too tight, just simple, and she's gonna do that all over the hair. And you guys should just enjoy watching it while we get to the next step, and I'll come back, okay? So now we are all done with these individual braids with my natural hair, and that's what my natural hair looks like. And for step two, she's just gonna show you her inserting the crochet hair into my hair. While she's inserting my hair, inserting the locks into my hair, she's going to insert my hair, the strand of the individual hair, inside the lock as well, which is also very easy and simple, as you guys can see. I'm not gonna talk through this process as I feel like you guys can see what she's doing, and my explanation will probably be crap, so you guys should just enjoy watching the process. And if it's too much for you, you can obviously go back and slow it down. The third step is basically wrapping the loose kinky hair around the crochet hair to make it look like, to give it the style that we're going for. And she's just gonna wrap it until it's done, and then she wraps it back up to lock it up and roll it with her hand if you want to, and just call it a day, and that's just really it. And she's just repeating the same step, just showing you again. After wrapping it, it looks completely different and shinier and, you know, more stylish than just the crochet hair. You can just insert the crochet hair inside my hair and call it a day, but because of the look we're going for, wrapping it gives it this extra different look, and I hope you guys can see that. step 4 is making the hair longer. We've done 1 strand, so basically we use 2 strands of crochet hair to make it long. So now she's gonna take both strands, the bottom strand and so she's gonna tie them together in a knot, like the same way she tied the crochet hair to my hair. So she's gonna tie them up together in a knot, and then the loose end at the first crochet hair, she's going to loosen the end and just wrap it up to just camouflage what she did. That's just basically it. But right now she's just showing her tying them together to make it longer. But later towards the end of the video, I will show you one clip of how she just wrapped it to cover it up to make it look like it's 1 strand. And that will be step number 5. So I hope you guys can see what she's doing. She's just tying the 2 strands together in a knot, and then right here, this is step number 5 right here, she's gonna loosen the ends, open up the ends and make it, you know, yaki looking, and then she's gonna wrap it, the knot, the part that she knots, she's gonna wrap it together, making it look like crochet hair. And you really cannot tell the difference when she's done. Just keep watching. So she basically wraps it downwards, and when the hair is almost done, she wraps it back up. That was the same thing she did to the top, the root section, and she just used her hands to roll it together just the same way you do regular dreadlocks, so to look, you know, camouflage together. And as you guys can see, yeah, it looks natural. Like, you can't tell. You see the difference? You can't tell like it was, there are 2 strands joined in one. Like, it legit just looked like 1 strand. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I was only able to get 1 clip of this, and yeah, I made it in real time. I didn't fast forward it, and that's pretty much it. And we're done with the video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe once again. Hey guys, so we are done with this look, and just tell me what you think. Tell me what you really think, and if you're feeling this look. I'm feeling it. I don't know about you, but this hair, girl, look at me, look at me. Look at the length, guys. Like, what? And this happened so quick. Like, it didn't have to take us 24 hours or the whole week to finish this. Like, this went by so quick. I'm so obsessed and in love, and I just absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.